Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2007 Suzuki GSX-R600. This middleweight super sport just arrived with only 27,000 miles. Near showroom condition, beautiful red and white paint scheme, runs beautifully. Brand new rear tire. Wait till you hear that Yoshi exhaust. Fender eliminator. It's got the rear seat cowl, and we also have the rear seat pad if you like to go two up. Come on by, make your Gixxer 600 dreams come true. $64.99. This thing is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Wow. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.